Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic, and I'm back with another haul sort of a video. And before I even jump onto the video, I just wanted to mention certain points and quickly bring out certain points to you guys that these products have been sent to me by the company Sivana, and I'm super excited to try all the products because I feel really lucky to receive so many products. And I am nowhere related to cosmetics, and I feel really overwhelmed that I am receiving cosmetics, and my channel is definitely growing and the way I wanted to. And I think all credit goes to you guys because you guys genuinely like my honest reviews of all the products, so that's the reason companies are approaching me. And yeah, so thank you so much you guys, and stay tuned till the end of the video because there is an announcement and it's all for you guys. So let's just get started with the video. So if you guys don't know, these Sivana products are exclusively sold by Charis Enterprises, and no one else sell it because they are the only distributor in India to provide Sivana products. And yeah, they contacted me and I'm super excited. So the first product which I'm gonna show you is, everyone has talked about it and I was like, okay, I need to get this because whenever I tried browsing through, every time it was out of stock, and luckily the company has sent me this. So this one is a baking highlighter. Absolutely love this product, and I got shade number 01. Let me just show you how it looks. This is like one of those best drugstore highlighters I would say in India available. And let me just show you quickly how it looks. This is how the highlighter looks like. Look at this guys, and this is super pigmented guys. And when you pick it up from brush, there is a bit of fallout, not too much but just a bit that I don't mind using that way. But yeah, this is super pigmented, and this highlighter can be used to highlight your cheekbone, inner corner of your eye. You can even use it as an eyeshadow. So let me just swatch this one for you. Here you go. Look at this color guys. It is super pigmented. You can even blend in the color. It easily blends in to your skin. It gives you a nice glow on your skin. I absolutely love this and highly recommend anyone. I will leave all the product link in the description box, so don't forget to click the description box links down there. Okay. So the next product which I'm gonna show you is, I am super excited because this is like first time I'm gonna use it. This one is Sivana Colors Bronzers palette. I actually saw a couple of reviews, and not on YouTube, but I saw a couple of reviews somewhere else, and I was like, okay, I need to have this in my life. This is awesome palette. This is how it comes in. I got shade 2. That's like, they have mentioned it here. This is how you get the bronzer palette, like so. And there you go. Isn't it such a pretty colors it has? It has got blusher, highlighter and a bronzer. So I think this retail for 500 or something. I'm not sure. Leaving the link in the description box, you can check it. So the next product, I'm showing you all the products which have been given high rated on Amazon as well as on Flipkart, because I think everyone should have these products in their collection because they are really worth money, like best drugstore products. So the next product which I'm going to show you is this is Ultra Blusher palette. I actually like the colors in this palette because these colors are really neutral shades. There's no shimmer, no glitter, nothing like that, and it's a blusher palette and it's like everyday use palette. So I really like the colors. Look at this colors guys. It is such pretty natural color. You can use these this palette for everyday use also. This comes very handy when you have to do everyday makeup, light subtle looks. This palette comes very handy. And I think this retail for 700. I will leave the link in the description box. You can check. I don't know how many times I have told this, but yes, I am going to leave all the link in the description box. You can check that. Next I've got this another blusher which is baked blusher, and this one is Sivana Fantastic Blusher. Its shade is 07, and I really like the shade because again this is also a neutral shade. I already applied today on my face and you can't even make out that I have blusher on. That sort of a shade it is. This is how it comes in, and there you go. This is how the product looks like. As I said, I have already used it, so you can see a little bit of shimmer outside of the palette. And let me just swatch this one for you. This is like beautiful pinkish color, and let me just swatch somewhere here. There you go. It is just a pink with a little bit of shimmer in it, and it also comes with a mirror. It also comes with a small mirror and a tiny brush like so. It comes very handy. You can keep it in your bag and you can just travel wherever you like to. And this one was shade number 07. Then I got this mascara. I haven't used this mascara, but I'm really excited to try because this mascara is like something new to me. It has got gel at one side and then you have the black color at the other side. Let me quickly show you the wand. That's how the wand looks like for the gel. It will give the length to your lashes and then you can apply the mascara over here. This is how it looks. I actually like this product and I'm excited to try this, and you get 6 ml of product in this. And then I received whole bunch of the variants of lipsticks, like almost all the variants of lipsticks. Here I have all the variants. This one is a lip gloss. Then I've got these 3 lip glosses. I'm super excited to try because the colors are so pretty. One is orangish color, one is pink, another one is nude. I think these are also like those Miss Clear ones because they turn matte, I think so. But I haven't tried it yet. I think they have some numbers over here. Yeah, they have numbers 06, 08 and 01. I shall do a separate video on all the lipsticks and you just need to mention in the comment section you would like to see the review. I'll do that for you guys. So yeah, that's how it looks. I got another lipstick from the collection. And this is how the lipstick look like, and this one is shade 02. It's a candy lollipop stick. I think it's a beautiful red color, and again I am all about reds, so I'm really excited to try this. And I really like the packaging of all the products. Really adore all the products packaging. Something unique and very classic packaging they have. It's not at all like those cheap looking material. It's like very sturdy. So yeah, and then I've got these 2 lipstick again, and these 2 lipsticks are matte lipsticks. I'm super excited to try these. I got shade 01 and 13. One is like a nude pink and the other one is hot pink, which I am excited. And then lastly I've got this lip crayon, and the best part of this lip crayon, and I have it on my lips today, and this one is a retractable. I have one more from Color Bar which you need to sharp it. I don't know where it is, but yeah, but that one you need to sharp. I like the retractable one because it comes very handy to use. You just need to twist it from the bottom and you're good to go. So yeah, this one is a shade 13. The only thing I did not like is that I wish they had some names on this lipsticks instead of numbers, so that becomes very easy to remember names rather than number. Okay, so the last product which I'm gonna show you is these eyeshadow cum blusher palette. They have sent me whole bunch of these products, and these sets, actually they have 8 different shades set, and I received all of them, and I posted a picture on Instagram and asking you guys, do you want to see a review? So most of you said yes. So I thought it's a good thing to give you guys also. So there is a giveaway at the end of the video, so 2 of you can win any of this palette. And yeah, I will leave all the instructions how you can win this, and you need to just follow all the instructions, and yes, you can win the palette. I have used one, so I will quickly show you how the palette actually looks like. So this is how the palette looks like. It is very small, and it becomes very travel friendly. You can just keep it in your purse, and it's very tight in packaging, so that's like a really plus point. I use this purple color in one of my makeup tutorial. I will leave the link in the description box, you can check that. These eyeshadows are super pigmented again, and let me just swatch it for you. This is the purple color. It's like beautiful purple with a shine to it. This is how it looks. I don't know, my camera is not picking up the color, but yeah, this is how the color looks like. And you also get a blusher underneath. You just need to push it down. You get 2 different shades of blusher. One is like a hot pink and the other one is a pink color, like soft subtle pink color. And again, these 2 are also super pigmented, and let me just swatch this one for you. This is how it looks, and let me just swatch it. There you go. It's such a pretty color, and this will suit any color, skin tone. I really like it, and you can even build the color. And yeah, I think this retail for 375 rupees, and it is available at Amazon and Flipkart.in. so that concludes my complete haul video, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and do let me know in the comment section why you would like to win the Sivana summer palette, and if you have used any of the Sivana products before, do mention that as well. And I shall announce the winner on Instagram, so do follow me there. And yeah, I will be sharing part 2 videos soon, so I shall catch you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.